Okay, this short video will explain our assignment 1 project. First, I'll start with the questions and how we did it. So we had people fill out this Google form, said, what is this object? Please use one word only. Here's the object. And then we had them select their gender identity. So this was our linguistic variable, the object, and what they used to describe it. And then this was our social variable, their self-identified gender. And so, yeah, you can see that right here. Here are some of our results. We got about 220 responses, but not all of them were valid. So it ended up being around 200 total, just below 200. The most popular words were tank top and blouse and camisole, but it did vary a lot by gender. So that's what we were trying to find. We were originally trying to see if non-male participants would use a less specific word to describe this object. So maybe males are going to say shirt, where females are going to answer with cami or tank top or spaghetti strap shirt, something like that. And so what we found was that was pretty much the case, but not as much as we expected. So this graph or this chart shows popularity of each response by gender. So for example, tank top here, females, about 50% of all female respondents answered tank top, whereas only a little bit over 20% of male respondents answered tank top. So in tank top, I don't know, depends on what you think, I guess, how specific of a word that is, but that was the most popular answer for females, followed by cami or camisole, and then spaghetti strap shirt. So they definitely female responses definitely used slightly more specific words, at least, depending on how specific you think tank top is. But the most interesting thing that came out, which I wasn't expecting, and our group was not intending to look for, was that over about 50% of male respondents used the word blouse to describe the object, the picture, which was surprising because blouse carries gender with it, is a very gendered word. And so 50% of the male respondents identified the shirt as a shirt that they wouldn't wear, or it's a woman's shirt, a female shirt, but they used a word to describe it that almost no females used, right? Only eight females used the word blouse to describe the object. So that was the most interesting findings, really, is that male respondents saw the item as gendered more than female respondents did. So yeah, that was our project. Feel free to read our poster. It's pretty simple. But yeah, it was interesting.